Igama lami uThobile Makhumalo wakwaMseleko. I am known as an African married woman, and esintwini sethu yonke into ingezimfuno zikababa. So ubaba uma ethi mama makube nje wena okwakho ukuthi uthi yebo baba about HIV and sexual health, there's no need to be scared. I'm not scared.
Molweni ndanamkela kuMamgobhozi TV. Kule video sawuthetha ngoMakhumalo Mseleku ongunkosikazi wesithathu kaTata Musa Mseleku. Nanto yenzekayo ke uTata Musa Mseleku unamakhosikazi ayi4. Kwaye uye ke achaze uba unazo nezanciza okanye uye athi allude to the fact that unazo ne-girlfriends. So imagine ke ngoku uba yoyikeka kangakanani lonto leyo when it comes to izifo zangaphantsi ezisulelanayo, ngoba kaloku funeka nithembane, funeka bebonke bangamakhosikazi bethembene, ngoba if omnye unohamba enze into ngaphandle uzawubuya asulele wonke umuntu. Notata uba ubheke ngaphandle wadibana nesifo esithile ungakwazi ubasulela bonke, ngoba kaloku kutshatiwe kwenziwa nabantwana, so akusoloko kuyasetyenziswa isikhuseli. uMakhumalo uchazile ke uba yena naye ufundisekile nge-HIV ngoku.
I'm part of Forever Wena family, and namhlanje I just decided to come and share with you ukuthi ukuthola information about HIV and sexual health kuyishintshe kanjani perspective yami. I am known as an African married woman, and esintwini sethu yonke into ingezimfuno zikababa. So ubaba uma ethi mama makube nje wena okwakho ukuthi uthi yebo baba, kodwa ukuthola ulwazi has changed everything, and I became more responsible and more accountable. Ongenza ngenze upartner wami naye abe accountable, because uyangithanda futhi uthanda nomndeni wethu. Sonke kumele sibe accountable. So wena ekhaya ngifuna ukukwazisa ukuthi Forever Wena has a dedicated chat box I created just to answer all the questions that you might have about HIV and sexual health. There's no need to be scared. I'm not scared. Ngiyakuthanda mfethu, so uyazithanda now. So asithandaneni sonke and be responsible for our lives and our sexual health.
Sithi congratulations ke kuMakhumalo ngokuthi abe part of i-campaign ebaluleke kangaka efundisayo umphakathi, efundisayo kwanolutsha uba lube responsible for i-sexual health yalo. Nawe ke uba unento ofuna uqonda okanye ufuna ingcebiso, khona i-chat box ka-Forever Wena, ungathetha kunye nabo. Mamgobhozi uyabulela kakhulu ngokuthi nibukele le video, ndanibona kwivideo elandelayo. Bye.